Look at that sandwich. Look how good that looks. Good morning, everybody. It just stopped raining here in Las Vegas, so I can finally get around to doing this quick video. This is gonna be my favorite. It's today I'm gonna make chicken parm sandwich. It's one of my favorite things to eat, and I can't wait to share it with you. Stay tuned. Let's do it. So we got this organic, boneless, skinless chicken breast from the butcher's block. That's what we're gonna use for this chicken parm sandwich. Got the all-purpose flour. Got the egg wash, and we got the Italian seasoned breadcrumbs. The next step is butterfly the chicken, salt, pepper, and now we're gonna go through the process of getting it ready. So butterfly it, salt, pepper, and then goes into the flour. Flour it real good. Good. Shake the excess. Now you're gonna move the chicken to the egg wash. You're gonna egg wash it. Egg wash it real good. Soak all that in. Everything. Soak it all in. Soak it all in. And the final step of the prep. And the final step of the prep. Breadcrumbs. Let me move it. It's in the sun. It was raining this morning in Las Vegas, believe it or not. Move this down a little. That should be better. I was actually happy about that. We don't get a lot of rain here. If you're wondering what happened to this chicken, I gave the nice piece. I butterflied it, so the nice piece went to my wife, and I'm working with this piece. So if I can make a good chicken parm with this piece, you know it's good. So when it's all done, the bread chicken looks like this. Well, that big part kind of looks like UK, and the small part looks like Greenland. Huh. So you got UK and Greenland getting together to make a chicken parm sandwich. So now, here comes the fun part. You're gonna pan fry this bad boy. So you're gonna go in with the oil. Put more in there because the breadcrumbs soak up. I think we're ready to go. Nice. Beautiful sizzle. Greenland goes in. UK's in. We got the little extra pieces. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that bread. Amazing. Check this chicken. That is beautiful. How nice that is. And the chicken. Done. It looks beautiful. Add the sauce. Oh yeah, look at that. Sauce, pile the sauce on. I'll go for the sauce. There you go. Look at that. How beautiful is that? Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Tell me if you can buy a better sandwich in any of these restaurants. There's no way. Get to the shade here. Look at that. Now, you see me struggle with this chicken because I had to give the nice piece to my wife. So she took the big fat piece. I was stuck with a little thin piece. And look how it turned out. Because you know, you gotta give the wife the better piece of chicken. But look at this. This is a thing of beauty. Wow. Wow. Let's eat it. Yeah, it's that good. Let me cut into this thing. You hear that? Look at the bread. The cheese and sauce. That mozzarella just melted perfectly. Try it out. Oh my God. What a delicious sandwich. I'm gonna need napkins for this one. Finger licking good, man. Finger licking good. I had chicken parm at a bunch of pizza places, a bunch of Italian restaurants. This is better than any of them. Finger licking good. Small piece of chicken, basic sauce, good mozzarella cheese, good Italian Brit seasoning, Italian breading. Some people use panko. I tried panko once or twice. I didn't like it. I like the Italian breading better. It just goes, it just gives it that extra taste that goes really well with chicken parm. So I suggest DeLallo or Progresso Italian breading, Italian breadcrumbs. Amazing. And just remember, as in any video that I made so far, I make this with basic kitchen tools. You don't need to buy anything expensive. You don't need to buy anything that you don't have in your kitchen right now. You can make an amazing food. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Because you know how it is. Wife wants a big piece of chicken. You gotta give her a big piece of chicken. You work with the leftovers, you work with a small piece, you make it work, and you still make a great chicken parm sandwich.